Okay, welcome everyone, and thank you for joining our today's BFD live broadcast. And I am Shubho, the Overseas Technical Support Engineer representing Kinco Automation. And today we will be discussing the variable frequency drive or VFD, also known as variable speed drive, that is called VSD. And we will cover the company's overview, product introduction, and various application scenarios of VFDs. So let's begin with an overview of our company Kinco and our strategic focus on intelligent manufacturing. Kinco is leading suppliers of industrial automation and digital factory solutions in China. And our focus and our strategic direction is focused on to develop the core technologies for industrial automation and digital factory. And we have established ourselves as a leading enterprise of global intelligent manufacturing sector by providing the innovative, high quality and cost effective automation solution. And let's take a briefly look on the company's history. So in 1996, it was founded and engaged in trading. And in 1999, started developing mechanical electrical integration technology. And in 2002, we entered the HMI market through a joint venture. And in 2003, independently developed stepper system and field bus bridge products. And in 2005, we started the servo business. And in 2007, we had acquired a PLC business and were they recognized as a national high-tech enterprise. In, and in 2008, we established our headquarters in Shanghai. That is called the Kinco Automations in Shanghai Limited. And the Kinavo Servo Motor in Changzhou was funded to develop and produce the high-performance servo motors. And in 2010, we first times the launched or the first BFD and SV, FV, CV series BFD and also the 4-quadrant BFD came into the market during this time. And during the 2012, we have launched the robot solutions, like advanced robot solutions, and the Kinco Automation Shanghai Company Limited was incorporated, and the Kinco Automation Shanghai Company Limited and the Kinco Electric Shenzhen Limited were certified as National High-Tech Enterprise. And during the 2014 to 2015, we developed the robot moving platform and released a series of new products and launched the digital factory solutions and awarded as China Manufacturing Innovation Enterprise of the Year. And during the 2018 to 2019, we launched the various series of HMI, such as Green Series HMI, and also like Superior Type Future Series HMI. And we launched the high performance FV20 model BFD. And also the main things we have launched, that is MIoT solutions. This is also called the machine IoT solution in 2018. And finally, in 2020, we was like Kinco was listed on the Eastern market, and we got the stock code that is 688160. And throughout our journey, our vision has remained the same: to make the intelligence a key part of a better life. And our mission is to make Chinese manufacturing in the top of the world through sincere growth, and ingenious innovation. And now let's move on to our product introduction, and we'll start with the KC100. And on things here that I forgot to tell you that if you have any questions during the presentations of mine, so if you have any questions, you can write down it in the comment section, and we'll provide the answers during the presentations or after the presentations. So if you have any questions, you can put in the comment section. So let's go back to the PowerPoint presentations. And here is the product, the KC100. And now the KC100 has the both single three-phase 220 volt and three-phase 380 volt voltage rating. And the power rating range is starting from 0.4 to 2.2 kilowatt for single three-phase, and the power rating for 0.75 to 5.5 kilowatt is for three-phase. And it supports the asynchronous motor VF control and also the asynchronous motors without PG vector control. And here is the KC100 features. So comparing the KC100 with the older model CB20, this KC100 features the multiple Hall current sensing, and module design, inverter selection, and aluminum profiles for thermal design, and wide circuit direct connections. And it also includes the hardware fast current limit function circuit and open loop vector functions, and also have a better load capacity. As you can see from here, it has the VF control. During the VF control is on 50% load at 1.5 hertz, and during the SVC control, it has like on 50% of load at 0.1 hertz. And the output frequency of our KC100, it can reach from 0 to 600 hertz. And it offers enhanced protection features, that is optimize the output phase loss protection and also like short circuit detection. And this was the KC100's feature comparing to CB20 or the older model. And now the product update, that is KC100 versus our old product CB20. The new features, as you can see here from here, the KC100 is an update over the older CB20 model, and the new features and the improvement make it more reliable and efficient choice for various industrial applications. The KC100. And now next we have the KC200 VFD, and the KC200 also supports both. I mean the single 220 volt to 240 volt and three phase for 380 volt to 480 volt voltage rating. And the power rating range is starting from 0.4 to 2.2 kilowatt for single phase, and for three phase it's starting from 0.75 to 560 kilowatt. And it also supports the SVC, FVC, and VF controls, and synchronous and asynchronous motors. And it also features a detachable operation panel with configuration potentiometer. Let's move to the next slide. And here we have the KC200 feature. And the KC200, when we compare to the older AB20 model, so offers a higher output frequency and voltage, output voltage, that you can see that our AB20 has the 0.0 to 300 hertz frequency, and in our new KC200, 0 to 600 hertz frequency. And the output voltage for AB20 was 200 to 420 volt, and now our KC200 has 200 to 480 volt. And it's also include like the more terminal configurations and more and additional communications method like CAN, and it has also a enhanced load carrying capacity. You can see from here we have marked it by the red color, that is 150% load at 1.5 hertz at BF control, and during the SVC control is 150% load at 0.1 hertz. And it also has a the efficient, or can say the enhanced protection functions, that is optimize the output phase loss protection, and also like short circuit detection for KC200. And here's the product update, the KC200 versus our old AB20. The KC200 is a significant upgrade over the AB20 old product, and providing the advanced features and better performance for demanding industrial applications. And in this technology platform, we'll talk about our R&D centers and our products informations. Like Kinco provides high quality and low cost solution for the industry based on the self-development, automation, core components, and digital software. And our product range is included from HMI, PLC control, servo, VFD, robot motion control, as well as digital factory and industrial internet software. And here you can see that the hardware sections, we have the automation core components. So that's in the connecting section, we have the HMI, gateway, and in the control section have PLC, RC. And in software sections for machine IoT software that I have mentioned before, like MIoT, like we have the MES, WMS, WSC, and cloud configurations, and we have the large screen display, and we have a big data center and MIoT platform. And inside the automation and digital system solutions, we have the robots, new energy manufacturing, and medical imaging, and digital catering, and so on. So we have the R&D centers in Shenzhen, Shanghai, Chengdu, and Changzhou, and continuously introducing and cultivating the excellent R&D talents. You can see here we have the picture of the R&D centers, like in Shanghai. These are the headquarters in Shanghai. This is the Shenzhen Electric, Kinco Electric in Shenzhen, and these are the manufacturing side in Shenzhen, Kinco, and this is the Changzhou for the servo drive manufacturing area, and R&D also. And these are Chengdu. This is for the software sections. And let's move to the next slide. And that is after-sales service system. And Kinco has a comprehensive after-sales service system with domestic marketing centers and domestic service providers, and also the global partners. And we offer a 2 hours response time and 24-hour closed loop service. And our internet service is available all year round. And we have the after-sales service centers in 6 locations to ensure the complete support to our clients. And now let's take a look at the current status of the industry and how our VFD solutions are applied in various scenarios. Okay, then in HVAC water supply system, our VFD help to eliminate the overpressure and water sinks and ensure the constant pressure with fast PID response and improve the energy efficiency with dormant control function. And they also provide the soft start-stop functionality to reduce the current impact and improve the pump service life while eliminating the secondary water pollution. These are the AB20, 30 kilowatt of AB20 configured in the HVAC applications. And next we have the booster pumps for daily water use applications. So for booster pumps, our BFDs ensure the constant water supply with fast PID response and dormant control functions, HVAC water supply applications. And the low-cost HMI and BFD solutions improves the installation's efficiency and reduce the cost with the simple wiring, as you can see from these given pictures. The simple wiring, and these are the HMI, which is HMI, and our BFD AB20. And let's move to the next slide. That is, our application is big production line. And in big production line, our BFDs offer the adjustable running speeds and controllable acceleration function and scarp operations and the ability of control the multiple motors to um, control by one inverter to improve the product efficiency. And by this, improves the product efficiency and provides a soft start program to enhance performance. Here from this picture, you can see that we have the various power of the AB20 inverter. This for brick production applications. Okay. Then we have the ventilator applications, and for ventilator in public places, our BIP controls both like asynchronous and synchronous machines to ensure the smooth startup and stable operation and low noise. And this helps to increase the air circulation efficiency in high density areas. And next we have the textile machine application. And in textile machines, our VFDs provides a torque control to ensure the constant wear tensions and fast PID response to consistent the system speed. And the standard 485 communications simplifies the wiring and reduce the cost. And these are the product configuration of KC100. In the textile machines, we are using the KC100. And now we have the candy dosing machine applications. And for candy dosing machine, our BFD can work with common air compressor controller to provide the constant pressure air supply control with inverters process PID alone. And for candy dosing machine, we are also using the AB20 BFD. And now we have the SIP machine applications. And in SIP machines, our BFD offers high-speed PID response of inverter and low-frequency, high-torque output and 485 communications for streamlining wiring and improved automations. As you can see from here, the 485 communications between frequency converter and HMI and PLC and improve the consistency of the main speed setting of our VFD, that is AB20. And next, we have the cement mixture applications. And in these applications, our BFD ensure the stable performance in these applications, like in cement mixtures, with low frequency torque for quick response and strong RS485 communications for simplified the control cabinet wiring. And they also provide the robust hardware and software protection measures and simple parameter setting for easy operations. So in this cement mixture applications, so we have, it's very easy for giving using the parameter setting, because there is a simple parameter setting we provide for these applications for our AB20 VFD. And next, we have the application for a small hoist or lightweight crane. And for small hoist or lightweight cranes, our BFDs provided the high torque at low frequency and reliable holding, timing logic, and the safety control circuits. And the soft start-stop methods reduces the mechanical shock and simplifies the maintenance. And here we have used in these applications the AB20 kilowatt, AB20 BFD on 32 kilowatts. And these are the final applications in our today's presentation, that is food packaging. And in food packaging, our BFD with the can open bus and servo control up to 31 axis automatically adjust the workstation positions and improving the productivity and reducing the wiring cost. And this system is easy to expand and maintain and capable of producing over 0.2 million boxes per hour. And here we are going to use the KC200 VFD, the upcoming new VFD. Okay, then in conclusions, like in Kinko's VFD solutions offer a versatile and efficient control for wide range of industrial applications. And for more information, you can visit our website, that is en.kinco.cn, and can contact us through the sales@kinco.cn email. And if you need this PPT, like the PowerPoint, and then you can download from scanning this QR code. And you can also follow us on our YouTube channel, that is Kinco Automations 1996, by scanning this QR code. Or also you can search on YouTube the Kinco Automations. You will get us the official Facebook page, and we have official YouTube page, and you can search the Kinco Automation in Facebook for getting our official Facebook page. And thank you for attending our today's presentations. And now we are open for any questions you may have. And now we're waiting for your more questions, and we are going to give you the answers. Okay, let me share the feature of our new product KC200 features on the screen. So if you have any questions related to KC200, you can also ask, or KC100, or any questions related to VFD or our company, you can ask in our comment section. So there is a question that is KC200 support power. That is, we already mentioned here the KC200 support for single phase is from 0.4 to 2.2 kilowatt, and for three phase it's 0.75 to 560 kilowatt. I think for now we have the IP20 model of the KC20 in KC200. So if you need the waterproof version, then I think we can keep this inquiry in our sections. If there is more requirements, then we'll try our best to modify or to do that for you. You can see from here, like for the communication method protocols in before the KC200s, the older version was like AB20, and the KC200 is our new version. And in here we have used the communication method, that is, we used the CAN. Okay, then if you want to contact us or for any inquiry, you can also contact through the Facebook page, and also there is the contact information for sales at kinco.cn. You can mail to us for if you need any samples or anything related to the sales. So you can contact through this our email. So for now, I think one of you asked us like when will the KC200 inverter will be available for sale. So contact us now to order the samples so you can get your products before it goes on the sale. Because now we are already sent or some products to some sites for trial. So you can also get the samples from us before getting it as like the normal order. And as I got the news about the KC200 sales, that is, you can look forward to our next live broadcast of the KC200 launch, and which will be from about July to August during this time. And in addition to product sharing of KC100, or this live broadcast also includes the replacement of the new and old products and the future products planning. And if you have friends in the industry, please feel free to ask. of any questions. For any questions, they can feel free to ask to us. And after this live broadcast, they can send the inquiry or their requirements through the contact information is given in this slide. And I think there was questions regarding the pump applications, and that is, I think, I have told about it. Uh, I think, yeah, the booster pumps in these sections. The is both developed and yeah, like we can use the HMI plus BFD applications as the constant pressure water supply solutions. And this HMI and BFD is low cost programming to improve and installations efficiency and reduce the installations cost. The booster pumps or the water pumps applications is quite similar. So if you want to know more about these booster pumps applications or what kind of applications, I can mention something more informations. Like here we are using this HMI to read and write the data of the BFD parameters. and it will use the built-in PID functions of VFD to realize the contents, constant pressure water supply, and the analog input. The analog input, the analog input of the pressure sensor is used to feedback the input of the PID. And I believe that the viewers who have worked on the product have been exposed to it. In here you can, in control board, you can see that there is a functions of the AI, and we have the parameter functions for the PID. And in our, even the AB20 manual, we have mentioned in applications for the PID applications, we mentioned the sections, the PID applications, and there is we broadly write in every details how you can use the PID applications. And in future there will be more like a short documents for like for quick applications. We will try to provide it as soon as possible for for the common applications for writing the parameters, parameter configurations, and wiring diagrams. We'll try to make this kind of documents as soon as possible for our clients to make the applications configurations so easy. Okay, I think I can. Okay, then if you have any questions later or want to order the samples for testing, I mean for the new products KC200 or any other products that for testing, if you want to get the samples or want to give the order, then please contact us through the YouTube and Facebook. Even I have mentioned the contacts in sales@kinco.cn in this email. You can share your inquiry, and that's it for our today's live broadcast. And thank you everyone for giving your time to us and joining with us. And hope we will see you again in our next live broadcasting. Thank you.